So beloved, today is a brand new day. And I hope that this day is meeting you exactly where you are with exactly what it is that you need most in this life to restore you. I want to let you know too that there's a pretty major solar storm that is hitting the planet right now. And so electronics are going to be interesting, and it really reminds us, right, when we expect things to work exactly as we expect them to work as they do every day. We take so many things in this life for granted. And we are on the precipice of such dramatic changes in life, in our lives, in every aspect of our lives. And it's only going to continue to increase. And this is why, beloved, I want to create a community where we can share in the joy and the beauty of life. I look so forward to hearing from you. If you have ideas and comments around what this looks like or feels like for you, I'd love to hear about it. I feel like it's time to start an open conversation and an open way to really open the door to what is possible for us now. I send you so much love, and I just hope you have peace in your heart as you experience this video, and may it inspire a bit of happiness and hope and joy and peace in your heart for whatever you are facing today. I love you so much.